Who or what should versus next? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.
Day in the life of Aaron. Shot Nerf for snowmobile battle today. Waited for it to snow all day. We got dirt on the ground. Get the shot of the ground, get the shot of the ground. I wiped out, hurt my knee. First shot of the day.
That looked like it hurt. Oh, dude, you literally slid straight on that ice.
First shot of the day.
Let's capture the misery.
But we persevere. We go all out. We do whatever it takes to get the Nerf war, to do the subscribers, to get the views. Montage of me gearing up.
Thank you guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please go over and subscribe to my best friend Mike Rants.
Subscribe to PewDiePie.
And make sure you subscribe to PewDiePie to save him from T-Series! Pew news! Pew 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 pew!
This is Gloria Mike.
This is Poppy Nerf Master.
We're not supposed to give our opinion, but we're gonna.
Nerf sucks.
This is
Nerf sucks. Nerf sucks. Nerf sucks.
Hey everyone, Aaron here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed Nerf War Snowmobile versus... No, that's not what I'm gonna call it. Nerf War Snowmobile Battle. Woo!
I'm in pain. Yeah. Red versus blue, snowmobile battle.
Team Blue, Blue Team Squad Leader all the way.
Team Red, baby.
I heard you.
If you guys want us to do an ATV versus snowmobile battle, hit that like button, let us know in the comments down below.
Make sure you subscribe.
Hit those notification bells, buy the merch in the merch shelf down below. I got merch self enabled. Thank you guys for being in the video.
Yeah. Team Red too. Oh, okay.
Team Red, we've won this one.
We had a blast today. Hope you guys had a blast watching the videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Woo! And we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.